In this video, I'm going to be taking you through a heel raise sequence. This is a good one to work different parts of the gastroc and soleus, and it's not just as monotonous as kind of going up and down into a heel raise. There's some different parts of this. Now, to simplify it, there's 3 parts of this sequence, and the first part is where you're just going to come up into your heel raise or calf raise. Once you're at the top, you're going to come down for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then for your next one, you're going to come up and then back down to halfway, and you're going to hold halfway for 4 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now don't come down into this position. Finally, what you're going to do is come all the way up to the top and then come all the way down for 4 seconds. So let's repeat that one more time, just so you've got it. So you start off with your feet facing forwards. You're going to come up onto your forefoot and toes, raising your heels up off the floor. You're going to hold this position for 2 seconds, and then you're going to come down for 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is at the bottom. You then come back up, bringing the heel raise up. So I'm back on my forefoot and toes. I come down to halfway this time, and then hold the position for 4 seconds. Once the 4 seconds have elapsed, I come all the way back up and slowly back down for 4 seconds. So that is a heel raise sequence.